Have you ever wondered how some people go from zero to millionaire in just a few months? What if I told you there's a silent AI revolution creating the next wave of millionaires? And here's the twist. These aren't future ideas. They're happening right now, and you can be part of it. You're watching TFC Tech and Finance Code, your trusted source for smart, scalable tech and finance insights. In this video, we're diving into 5 AI business ideas that could make you a millionaire by 2025. Let's get right into it. Here's a quick list of the top 7 AI-powered businesses. AI automation SaaS tools, artificially intelligent-powered marketing agencies, AI content generation studios, AI chatbot development services, artificial intelligence healthcare assistants, artificial intelligence e-learning platforms, AI virtual influencer brands. In this video, we'll focus on the top 5, the most profitable, most scalable, and most beginner-friendly. AI automation SaaS tools are software products that use artificial intelligence to handle repetitive business tasks, like sorting emails, generating invoices, or managing appointments. Why it's beneficial? It saves businesses time and money, reduces errors, and works 24/7 without human oversight. Its global demand is projected over $26 billion by 2025. Here's a beginner tip. Identify a small, repeatable business task. Use OpenAI API, Zapier, or Make, formerly Integromat, to build a simple MPV. Validate your idea by launching on AppSumo or Product Hunt. Offer monthly plans via Stripe or Paddle. Extra tools: Bubble, Webflow, Airtable, Google Sheets, and Slack integrations. Income potential? You can easily earn $10,000 to $100,000 per month with just a few hundred subscribers. Jasper.ai started by automating content writing. Now it makes over $35 million per year. AI-powered marketing agencies use AI tools to run high-performing ad campaigns, automate content creation, and optimize SEO like never before. Why it works? Reduces advertising spend, increases return on investment, and provides data-driven insights faster than any human team. Its market size is already booming, and over 63% of marketers use AI, and it's growing rapidly. How to get started? Choose a niche. For example, e-commerce, software as a tool service, or coaching. Use tools like Copy.ai for ad copy, AdCreative.ai for design, Surfer SEO, or ScaleNut for content ranking. Prospect clients through Apollo.io, Lemlist, or LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and track results using This or Google Data Studio. Bonus tools. You can use Jasper, Grammarly, MarketMuse, Canva, and Metricool. Earnings? You can earn around $5,000 per month and scale to $50,000 plus with retainers. Neil Patel's team integrates AI into their marketing services and handles hundreds of clients with fewer people. AI content generation studios are the backbone of scalable digital content. Blogs, videos, captions, scripts, all made faster with AI. Why it's booming? Content demand is higher than ever. AI lets you produce at 10 times the speed, and clients want cost-effective solutions. Core tools: ChatGPT or Claude for script writing and articles, Pictory, Runway, ML, or Lumen 5 for video editing, Synthesia, DID, or HeyGen for AI avatars and voiceovers, Canva and Descript for graphics and editing. Want to start it? Choose a niche like finance, gaming, or education. Build a few content samples with the tools above. List services on Fiverr, Upwork, or build your own YouTube or TikTok brand. And scale with templates and virtual editings. Revenue estimate? You can make $2,000 to $3,000 for a month, depending on client base or channel monetization. Channels like AI Explained create daily videos using AI and rake in revenue from ads and affiliate links. AI healthcare assistants offer smart solutions to patients and doctors, from scheduling and symptom checking to medication reminders and virtual therapy bots. Why it's valuable? Reduces hospital load, available 24/7, and offers personalized healthcare. Global healthcare AI market is estimated to hit $188 billion by 2030. Choose a segment: mental health, chronic care, elderly support. Use platforms like Twilio Health, Azure Health Bot, or Informatica API. Ensure HIPAA compliance, and offer through app stores or business-to-business via healthcare providers. Tools to integrate: Google Cloud Healthcare API, OpenAI plus Zapier, Notion, or Tability for progress tracking. And Calendly for scheduling. Monthly earnings ranges from $10,000 to $150,000 plus, especially with business-to-business clients. Ada Health offers AI symptom checks and raised over $120 million. AI virtual influencers are digital personas built using AI, complete with personality, voice, and style, made to engage and grow massive followings online. Why this works? Never needs sleep, makeup, or breaks. 100% scalable and attracts brand sponsorships, followers, and merch sales. Essential tools you need: DID for face animations, Synthesia or HeyGen for video avatars, 11 Labs or Murph.ai for realistic AI voices, Runway, ML, and CapCut for video editing, and ChatGPT for scripting. How to start it? Pick a content niche: fashion, tech, comedy. Design your AI character with the tools. Build a consistent content calendar. Grow organically or run cheap TikTok and Instagram ads. Revenue? Around $5,000 to $70,000 per month from brand deals, affiliate links, merch, or YouTube monetization. Lil Miquela is a virtual influencer with 2.6 million followers and earns over $10,000 per sponsored post. There you have it. 5 powerful, proven AI business models that could make you a millionaire by 2025. Each one is scalable, in demand, and fueled by cutting-edge tools you can start using today. If this sparked some ideas, hit that like button, subscribe to TFC Tech and Finance Code, and drop a comment telling us which AI business you're ready to try. Thanks for watching.